Welcome to Kids Study Studio. Hello kids, in this video we are going to learn birds' name. So let's start one by one. Parrot. This is a parrot. Dove. This is a dove. Crow. This is a crow. Peacock. This is a peacock. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Ostrich. This is a ostrich. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Eagle. This is a eagle. Blue jay. This is a blue jay. Quail. This is a quail. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Crane. This is a crane. Falcon. This is a falcon. Crossbill. This is a crossbill. Duck. This is a duck. Magpie. This is a magpie. Swan. This is a swan. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids Study Studio.